Hi everyone, today I am doing the B169, the chassis 3.306A160 CDI, and the common problem in same as it is in as you can see my other videos, and is coming the common problem transmission range sensor. And this car is coming a little bit different, and I want to show when we diagnose it. You can see here, look, it's showing 0717, the RPM signal from component Y3/9B3 CVT, constant variable automatic transmission problem, and the other code is transmission control module is stored component Y3/9N1 CVT variable transmission control unit. This is the common issues of this one, and the other code is coming related to the campus because of this code. So if you have the problem of like this, you have to bring the car to us. You can see my other video, we can repair your car in 2 hours. And if you have any problem in control module, you can take it out and bring the control module. We can sort it out your problem. We are in Heathrow, near Heathrow, and you can contact me anytime. My phone number is 0740253638. We are in Heathrow, so you can contact us. You can see my other videos, and my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango 171 Hanworth Road. Thank you. Bye.